Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Christmas lamppost Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to be making two of these. I picked up two of the lidded jars from the Dollar Tree. These were like in the glass section, and I chose two different patterns that I thought would look good for the top of lampposts. Now, all I have to do is remove the tags from the bottom, and for the lids, I'm going to paint mine black to go with the street lamp vibe. I do go ahead and use some painter's tape on the plastic seal that goes around inside the jar. I don't want to get any paint on that. And then I just use black spray paint. If you don't have any, you could always use some black acrylic paint. It would work just as well. It just might take a little bit longer. But I just spray it with one coat of black there on both sides, and I'm going to set those aside to dry. Now, I really do need to get the label off the bottom of these. I just let them sit with some of the glue remover that they have from the Dollar Tree. And then I picked up two of the black candlesticks in two different heights for the lampposts. I want to decorate them for Christmas, so I use a little bit of the Dollar Tree wired garland, and I just wrap the pole like you would see around a lamppost for Christmas. And it's wired, so it should stay on there just fine. I kind of wire it to itself, and I'm going to do that for both sizes. I'm going to display mine together. That's why I did two different heights of these, and I think they might even have like maybe even three different heights of these available at Dollar Tree. I love the fact that they're black. They have a wide base. They should be sturdy for the jar to be on top. Now, I also wanted to decorate them, give them a little Christmas sparkle. I'm going to use some of the glitter red ribbon from the Dollar Tree, but I need it to be very small because this is like a miniature lamppost, right? So I cut it in half and then cut it in half again, giving me like a quarter a thickness of the ribbon, and that's going to be something that I can work with here. I tie it around the lamppost and just do a simple little bow. Now, if you didn't want to wrap yours with garland, you could always make a little wreath to hang on them and do a little bow on that too. And because sometimes lampposts are decorated like that too. So I'm going to do the same thing here for the shorter lamppost. I just tie it around and tie a simple little bow. Adds a little touch of red and a little touch of glitter. And it was really easy to do. Now, to attach it, I am actually going to use some of the little super glue from the Dollar Tree. I love the little individual ones like this because you can just throw them away when you're done. You don't have to worry about any clogging. And I just go around the outer part there of the metal candle holder and set the glass on there. Now, you could also use E6000 for this. I would not recommend probably hot glue. I think you're going to need something a little bit stronger to do metal to glass like this. I love the variety of the two different jars. The textures look really good together. I did notice one of my candlesticks had a little bit different shape. I had to put the glue on the glass too to get it to stick, but then I just fill it with some battery operated tea lights from the Dollar Tree. If you could get like a votive size, it would work even better. And they're battery operated, so you can actually have the lids on them when they're lit up. So I painted these black. I'm just gonna pop these on the top of my lamppost, and there you go. We have two little lampposts. This is what they look like during the day, and I'm also going to show you what they look like lit up. And you know what? You could also remove the garland and use them year round.